total scam how airlines can sometimes charge literally twice the price to check a bag. So here's how I went to Edinburgh for 4 days with a carry-on. First, I committed to wearing the same pair of pants, the same jacket, and the same shoes for the entire trip. I wore a short sleeve shirt on the plane, I brought another short sleeve shirt, and then 3 long sleeve shirts / sweaters. And we got surprisingly nice weather, so I actually didn't even end up wearing one of those sweaters. Then we have the electronics. I had to bring my computer because I'm an entrepreneur and the work never stops, so my chargers, my 2 UK adapters, a battery pack, and a Kindle, which I did not even have time to read. Of course, I also had to have pajamas, my sleep mask, and earplugs, and of course, fresh undies. For toiletries, I actually only wash my hair once a week, and so I just had to bring a little shower cap and a bar of soap, and then all my travel size toiletries fit into a little airplane bag. And then the last few random items, this is my travel water bottle, sunglasses in case it became sunny, hairbrush, and bagu. I don't go anywhere without this. Now let's get this all in my carry-on, my trusty Longchamp. My computer goes in first because it's the bulkiest, and then all the electronics at the bottom. Then I'm gonna put in my toiletries and those extra items. And last but not least, I'm gonna just shove that bag of clothes in there. This bag totally did not zip, but I mean, it's fine. And then you best believe I stuffed these pockets full. So things like my passport, bagu, wallet, keys, water bottle, all of that stuff literally went in my jacket pockets. Ta-da! And that's how I did it. I'm so proud of fitting this all into a carry-on. I love packing light, and mostly I'm excited that I didn't have to pay those exorbitant fees for a checked bag on an international flight.